Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today we are going to do Before You Go by Louis Capaldi. And I'm doing this song because I noticed that I haven't been doing a lot of recent popular songs and I wanted to have more of those on my channel. I also noticed that there weren't a lot of lessons out there for songs like this. So if you are interested in learning current music and you have one that I haven't done, leave that in the comments below. Also, guys, click subscribe if you're enjoying my videos and you'd like to see more. And if you'd like to learn from me, check out the description to find out all the details about my current offerings right now. The main thing I've got going on right now is the lowest price on my guitar community, which you can use to get all of the extras from my YouTube videos, plus group lessons and private lessons from me. Alright, so let's get right into this. And if you notice, I have my capo on the first fret. You can play this without a capo, but the reason I'm using the capo is because I assumed that if you are a guitarist and you want to learn how to play this song, you're probably going to want to sing it while you're playing it. And this capo just allows me to do the smallest amount of movement possible. And it also is a good way if you are a female and you wanted to sing this song higher or something like that. It's a good way to move and change keys. So that's where the capo is, first fret. If you don't have a capo, grab it in the comments, but in the description below. And let's get right into it. The tricky part about this one is the rhythm. But I'm going to show you an easy way to play it and break it down into something that you'll still have to work on, but we're going to simplify it. So that basic rhythm is you're hearing this string, the B string, over and over again. That's just like. But that doesn't really work that well for a song, so you need something to kind of fill it in, and that's going to come in with the root note. So this string plays the whole time. So you're going to keep this third finger there, and I suggest we use the third finger. You're going to keep your third finger there the whole time. So basically all I'm going to do to fill in that gap, so you're just doing this rhythm right here with that third finger. And you notice I'm not doing that with my pick, I'm doing that with my finger, and you'll see why in a second. So we're just going to go through the root notes as we're doing it. So the first root note that we're going to play is D. Alright, so all I'm doing basically, and notice that this is the loudest note, so you want that to be accented, so play that a little louder. And with this, with the root notes, I'm just basically doing a quarter note beat. So, and then when I add the bottom, all right, so that's the first root note. Then we're going to add B, so second fret. Then we're going to go to G, third fret on the low E string. And then A, so open A. And then we're going to go to the second fret on this one. So that's here. So let's go through those again. And the main thing is just getting this rhythm. So listen to it again. All right, so that's the verse. So every verse, it's just doing that pattern. And I'll have the tab below. I should have it right now. And just look at that. It's a little tricky because we're doing this in 6/8. And what's even trickier is the accents that we're doing right there don't even feel like 6/8. So just get that 1, 2, 3, da, 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 da. And it's just coming back and forth between these two. All right, so the next part is the chorus. So in the chorus, we're gonna add another note that we're repeating. So it goes. So slowed down. And then we're going to go to A, same thing. Then B. Then we're going to go to G. We're going to lift our finger and do that open E string. Then start over. A. B. G. A. And this is where we slide down to the 2nd fret. And up to speed, that sounds like this. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments below. And stay tuned because I'm going to have a slow version and a fast version as always. And be looking later for the slow version and fast version only video so that you can just watch that video alone and pause it once you don't need the lesson anymore. All right, guys, click that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.
Thank you.